Hi, my name is Yogesh, and this is a small intro about myself. I'm an IIT graduate with about 17 years of strong experience in product innovation. In past, worked for the various big Fortune 10 organizations like Cisco, Intel, and research labs of IBM. Currently working for a company called TechSet as a CTO, which is a VP of engineering role as well. This is a dual facing role, external facing and the internal facing. I'll just come to this. Where I'm managing a team of around 350 highly skilled engineers, senior managers, architect, DBAs, and 4 directors who directly reports to me. And these whole of the organization and the SPO reports to me through these directors. The team is divided in two locations, Bangalore and in Chennai. Around 150 people sit in Bangalore and around 200 people sit in Chennai. In past work in various domains like web-based applications, network security, application security, education, publishing, printer drivers, and many other innovative areas. In all these varied work experiences, which I have, one thing was always common, and which excites me is the product innovation. How technology can bring a positive change to the industry, irrespective of the industry type, be it e-commerce, retail, healthcare, education, or real estate. Take any industry. Technological advancement has taken the central stage and has become the backbone of any industry. Smart artificial intelligence based systems, intelligent and meaningful automation, computer vision, and machine learning has solved many critical and difficult to solve problems which humans can't even manage. Some things which we were thinking that yes, it will be really difficult for machines to solve, and humans themselves are struggling. Can we crack those problems? Making some sense out of huge load of data. Big data is again a big thing which is happening all across. Making which can this data be used to make some sense out of it? Based on that, can we take some make some strategical business critical decisions? All these things nowadays are helping us to crack many solve problems. So in past I have cracked many difficult to solve problems like sentiment reading, face pattern recognition, and identifications like and dislikes by machines. Some concrete examples include in my previous job, um, an education based company, we were working on science of learning. We were working on behaviors and patterns of learnings in different kids. Each kid is unique, and their behaviors and the way they learn the things, adapt the things, is also different. The science behind learning patterns of kid is not easy. I mean, like each kid is different, and the way they understand the concept is different too. Can machines somehow help us understand which topic kid likes and which doesn't? For example, a class 10th kid might like trigonometry but do not like probability at all. Can machines identify this? Look at this problem statement. There is something going inside, and machine has to identify this. I mean, like we human, even after interactions and couple of sessions with the kid, we are not able to very clearly identify. So what can help in this is like possibly pattern recognition. If the laptop on which kid is working, if it is camera enabled, can we take different patterns of the kid's face and find it out whether he's interested, not interested, by the expression of the face. Also by the keystrokes. If he's really interested, those keystrokes will be really fast and he will be moving fast. And the way kid is responding to the different topics. Now, once we can crack this, we can identify this that, these are the weak areas and these are the strong areas, possibly the problem to solve, and make him understand the remediation methods are much more easier, and we can work on those problem statements. Now, all these difficult to solve problems, once solved, add to the core business strategy of any company wherever we are. And how we can target, we can make roadmaps based on that, we can make and design our strategies and products around that, and increase the business. Uh, Retaining and increasing the profit margin in any business, this is every business needs. How can we do this? Each business has to identify key blockers and the areas in which they want to invest. For example, in my current company, which is into publishing and education domain, again, a wing of it is in publishing. What we do here is, authors all across the globe, mostly in UK and in US, they write research paper. These are university professors, and by the time they submit their papers for publication to a very big publication press, like for example Oxford University Press, Cambridge University Press, Wiley, take any name, Taylor Francis. These are very very big publishers, and these are very prestigious as well. So by the time they submit their papers and by the time it actually get published, it is almost 8 to 10 months of a wait. Each publisher take time to accept the paper based on its genuinity, but once it is accepted, people like us come into picture who do lot of typesetting, copy editing, language editing, and many other things in the paper. Now, we in our kind of industry, we have a lot of stuff to do this mechanical jobs, like cleaning up the papers and putting into double column and all those things. There are softwares which can do this routine automation job, but there is a unique job, like copy editing. These are the experts in English, PhDs in English, who do the language editing. One single sentence in English can be written in 6-7 different ways. All are grammatically correct. There is no spelling mistake, there is nothing. But fitment to the content. Look at this problem statement. Is where humans themselves are struggling, meaning that if I ask 5 different people which is the correct sentence which will fit in over here, each one will have a different opinion. Now, can machines help this? There's a branch of computer science, natural language processing, which is heavily used in sentiment analysis also by many other big retail companies like Flipkart, Amazon and all, where loads of data comes and they churn it out and categorize into neutral comments, positive comment, negative comment. Here also, can NLP help us do copy editing? If we can crack this problem, I will be able to straight away reduce my workforce by 100 very sophisticated, highly skilled copy editors. I pay for those guys. And if machines can do this with a probability of 80% accuracy, which itself is a big achievement. So from past 1.5-2 years, the attempt was on this thing. Very recently, I have made a product and showcase this product. I was on a London and Frankfurt visit last month. We have met almost 20 customers. We have done a roadshow in the Frankfurt Book Fair, and you won't believe the way this product was received in the market. This is called Edit Genie, and we are very soon launching it. This will reduce workforce and the time. So initial problem statement was, how can we reduce the touch time and the time to market once the paper is accepted? But while doing this, we identified that lot of work can be done by this thing, and we are reducing, trust me, a man force of around 80 people after this project is launched, and beta is about to launch in about 15 days from now. Thank you.